Hello and welcome to QBTV YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how can you install an Easter egg named aptitude move in any of your Linux distribution and use it. So in order to try the Easter egg you need to install a package. So first open the terminal by simply pressing Ctrl+Alt+T. This will work in most Linux distributions. Now you have to install a package named aptitude. Then type the following command: sudo apt-get install aptitude and then press enter key. Then type your password and press enter key. Then the installation will begin. Then type aptitude move M-O-O and press enter. It says there are no Easter eggs in this program. Now repeat this command by adding an extra argument v, which stands for verbose. This time it says there are really no Easter eggs in this program. Again type the same command by adding one extra v. This time it says, didn't I already tell you that there are no Easter eggs in this program? Again add another v. Now it says stop it. Repeat the command adding another v. Now it says okay. If I give you an Easter egg, will you go away? Then add another v to the command. This time it says alright, you win, and it has drawn a picture of something. It looks like a cow, maybe. Add an extra v for the last time and press enter. This is the last statement of this Easter egg, and it says, what is it? It's an elephant being eaten by a snake, of course. Now if you keep on adding an extra v to the command, it will give the same response because this is the last. I hope you liked this video, and I will be uploading more Linux related video in the near future. So subscribe to my channel to get notification about all those videos.